Your Honor, waiting on the mail to come up here and I'll get right with you.
All right, you can be seated, ma'am.
Thank you.
Are you Melanie Bowline?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is case number 20 CR 259, State of Ohio versus Melanie and Bowline. Ms. Bowline is appearing by video from the Justice Center. Ms. Bowline, you were indicted by a grand jury back in December of last year on a charge of grand theft of a firearm, which was a third-degree felony. Alleges an on or about September 11th of last year in this county, you knowingly or did purchase a private powered roads a high .9 millimeter handgun, knowingly obtained exerted control over that, which is a firearm, without his consent, and that would be a violation of section 2913.0281. That is a third-degree felony that carries a possible sentence if convicted of between 9 and 36 months in prison, a fine of up to $10,000. Now, you are entitled to have an attorney to represent you in this matter, and if you can't afford to hire one, the court will appoint one for you. And I see you did fill out a questionnaire, or disclosure form, I should say. Everything on this is correct?
Yes, sir.
When's the last time you were employed?
I was just employed before I got incarcerated this time. I was working at I was doing detailing at a car shop on East Main Street, Columbus, but I don't plan going back to Columbus, sir. I'd really rather stay here.
All right. Now, is this the first time you've been in court on this case?
Yes, sir.
All right. The court will appoint attorney Danielle Witt of Hillsborough, Ohio, to represent you. And in the absence of counsel, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Court will set a bond review hearing for July 1st at 8:30 a.m. Pre-trial will be set for July 21st at 2:15 p.m. The final pre-trial will be August the 11th at 2:15 p.m. and the trial date will be August 26th at 8 a.m. Bond will be set in the amount of $5,000 plus your cognizance, which is your promise to appear. And if you fail to appear, then you could be prosecuted for an additional felony and convicted and sentenced on that, regardless of what happens in this case. You'll also be under pre-trial supervision if you make bond. The probation department, 117 East Main Street, you know where that's located? You're to report there immediately upon your release if you make bond. Be required to report there once a week for 4 weeks, and after that, as they determine, undergo random drug testing in their order. Provide phone numbers from home to employer, not have any contact with either of the alleged victims. If recommended by probation, you'll be evaluated for substance abuse or mental health issue, treatment indicated and will follow that during intensity of this action. Will also be under house arrest at your residence at 100 Windsor Drive in Hillsborough. And that means you have to be there at all times unless you're working. Going to and from work, medical appointments, court proceedings in this or any other case, appointments with an attorney or probation officer in this or any other case, attending kind of a job training, schooling, educational programming, college classes, GED, etc. Also church services. Other than that, you have to be there at all times. If you fail to comply, and the court could revoke OR bond, and you can be held until further order of court. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, your bond will be reviewed on Thursday morning, and we'll have your attorney present. That'll probably be a Zoom hearing. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, are you Jordan E. Burns?
Yes, sir.
In this case number 21 CR 97, State of Ohio versus Jordan E. Burns. Mr. Burns, you were indicted by the grand jury on the 1st of June for aggravated possession of methamphetamine. Elections in honor about November 1, 2020 in this county, you knowingly obtained or possessed methamphetamine, which is a Schedule 2 substance. That is a 5th-degree felony, and if convicted, could carry a sentence of between 6 and 12 months in prison and a fine of $2,500. And also a possible license suspension of 6 months to 5 years. Now, you are entitled to have an attorney, and if you cannot afford to hire one, won't be appointed. So you have filled out a financial disclosure form. Is everything on this form correct?
Yes, sir.
And you're still employed by Mr. Herdman?
Yes, sir.
All right. How long have you been employed by him?
About 3 years.
Okay. All right, well, court finds that you are entitled to appointed counsel and may be subject to repayment depending on your income. So I will go ahead and appoint counsel for you. Is this the first time you've been in custody, in court on this case?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, the court appoints Attorney William Armentrout of Hillsborough, Ohio to represent you. And in the absence of counsel, I'll enter a non-guilty plea on your behalf. Since this is your first felony offense charge, convicted, there's a presumption of community control. So I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. And that's the bond you're going to sign there at the jail. The promise to appear on the dates I'm going to give you here in a moment. And if you fail to appear, then you could be prosecuted for a felony and a convicted, sentenced on that no matter what happens in this case. You'll be required to pay a $171 deposit for certain statutory required fees. You'll have 30 days to do that. You need to make payment arrangements to do that at the clerk's office. If you make bond, when you release, you're going to release it shortly. You'll be required to be in the pretrial supervision department, so you report to that department 117 East Main Street immediately today after you get out of jail. You know where that's located? Across the flagway on East Main Street. Okay. 117 East Main Street. Report there immediately. Required to report to them once a week for 4 weeks after that as they determine under random drug testing they may order. By phone numbers for home, cell, employer, if recommended by probation, you'll be evaluated for substance abuse and mental health issues. If any treatment is recommended, then you'll enroll in and follow that for pendency of this action. You'll also be under house arrest at your residence at 511 Hickey Avenue in Greenfield. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you'll have to be there at all times unless you're working, or you can go to and from work, obviously. You can go to and from any kind of medical appointments, court proceedings, whether it be in this or any other case. You can go to an appointment with an attorney or probation officer in this or any other case. You can also attend any kind of schooling, job training, educational programming, etc., church services. Other than that, you have to be there at all times. If you fail to comply, then the court could revoke your OR bond and have you held in custody until further order of the court. Now, your first, it won't be a bail review since you're going to be getting out of jail. So, set your first pretrial for July the 21st at 2:30 p.m. Final pretrial will be August the 18th at 2:30 p.m. and your trial date will be set for September 23rd at 8 a.m. The officer there will have you sign a assignment notice, looks like that's what you're doing right now, and, take that with you so you remember all your dates and time. And as soon as you get done, get released, sign your order, bond there in jail, come up to the probation department meeting. You have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll notify your attorney of this appointment, and the jail has, his phone number there too.